Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change gain settings in Steelseries Arctis Nova Pro Wireless Base Station. And to do this, first we'll need to make sure that it's powered on so we can see the display like this. Then click and hold the wheel like that. It should open a settings. We can move through it by scrolling down the wheel, and we want to go for audio options. Click on the wheel again, then go for the gain. Click on the wheel, and now we can adjust it between low and high settings. So let's select high, confirm it, and you can go back with that button to default main screen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.